Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the SAVALATOR case for iPhone 12 and the screen protector that comes with it. So this is a case that is available for purchase on Amazon, we'll put a link in the description, and that SAVALATOR have provided us for review purposes. So let's see what this involves. So on the back of the packaging you have some simple instructions on how to install the screen protector. Good thing is, the assumption is that the instructions for using the iPhone case should be simple enough. So I'm going to use my jerry-rig everything knife to open the packaging. And here we have a nice case in its bag. The installation in tooling, so alcohol wipe and the stickers to put your glass screen protector on. Another set of the same. And finally we have a glass screen protector. Actually there's two here, so we have two glass screen protectors, which is very handy. So let's start off with the screen protectors. So I'm going to quickly wipe my iPhone 12, and with this I usually recommend you switch your iPhone off, which I keep on forgetting how to do. So what we need to do is long press the power button and the volume up button, swipe to switch off. This is my iPhone 12, product red. Let's just make sure there's nothing on the screen here. So let's go by the instructions that we have here. The first thing we need to do is to open up the packaging here, lots of sealed packaging. Okay, so we have, in this case, the alcohol wipe. There's two in this packet. And I'm going to use this to wipe the screen, as we're doing here. Great. Now, next thing we need to do is use the microfiber cloth that's included to dry the screen. Make sure there's no liquid left on it. Simple enough. So now we've done that, we just need to use the dust absorber, so this bit, just to make sure there's no specks of dust left on it. Now, this is a bit of a challenge because I have cats, and even though I have just finished vacuum cleaning this room and the desk, there's always some form of cat fluff in the air. So we'll try and do this as quickly as possible. As you probably know, one of the best ways to do this is probably in a damp bathroom with a lot of air humidity, because dust doesn't have space to move that much. Okay, so we've done that. Next things first, next things next. We need to take the screen protector itself, which I have put down here. And this is one for iPhone 12. So we need to peel off the film and put it aligned onto your screen. So the key thing here is to get the glass screen protector aligned with the hole here. Okay, so we can see the glue is starting to work. So then we need to press the center and push to the edges. Now you can see I've not picked up a bit of the dust here, which has caught under the screen protector, and that's all on me. I wasn't in a good environment for doing this, but as I said, one of the best ways to do this is in an environment where you have less dust. And yes, there's a little bubble there, one there. I'm not too bothered by this. It is aligned with the screen. Let's check that this all works as expected. So we'll switch the iPhone 12 off. And whilst this loads up, we'll look at the key thing, the one that I'm more interested in, is the Savaletor case for iPhone 12. So this is one that is compatible with MagSafe items. You can see the logo here and the fact that it has magnets in there. And once you put it in the iPhone case, it fits perfectly. And it's one of the iPhone cases that has an industrial design similar to what we've already seen here in the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, with specific cutouts for the camera sensors and extra holes. So this is essentially what we've seen on the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G case that we unboxed and provided first impressions of, and also a case that I have for the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. I really like this design because not only does it protect the camera module better, it also just makes it look a bit more consistent and hides away that orangey red of the product red iPhone 12. Right then, I will just use my passcode to unlock my iPhone after setup, and as you can see, despite that little bubble which I accidentally created when setting up the screen protector, in day-to-day use when you have content on screen, it's working fine. You don't really notice that that's there. So I'm happy with that. You can only really notice that bubble when it's off. But in this case, you have from Savaletor a good glass screen protector, which works great. Let's try going to a website and using multi-touch. So if I were to zoom in and out, no issues with multi-touch with this glass screen protector, no phantom touches, it's all working as expected. And I like the way the cutouts and the button options are there for the case itself, the perfect cutouts for the speakers, the asymmetric speaker grills on the bottom of the iPhone 12, as well as the lightning port, and also the one for the silent mode on the other side. So iPhone 12 case works great, perfect cutout. There seems to be no air gaps underneath it. The buttons are responsive, no issues there. And I don't have any stickiness with the volume button. So decent overall offering from, in this case, Savaletor. And I do have a spare glass screen protector. So if the one that's on there should have any issues, I can replace it. So as I said at the beginning, this is a review unit provided by Savaletor. The link will be in the description to where you can purchase this premium case for iPhone 12, and it includes, as you saw, two glass screen protectors. Anyway, for now we'll wrap up this video, this unboxing and first impressions of the Savaletor case and glass screen protector. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. For now, thanks for me.